Good afternoon, students. Welcome to class 9. Okay, and stay at your home and learn properly at your home. Today I am going to discuss the animal tissue. Plant tissue I have completed. Learn at your home properly. If any doubt, you can ask in comment box. I will take in your video. Okay, the animal tissue. Today I am going to start animal tissue. Animal tissue is a little different from the plant tissue. Obviously it is different in the plant tissue, and actually the major 4 types of tissue present in the animal tissue. First, epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue. Okay, major 4 types of tissue present in animal tissue. In animal tissue, have to know the location, properly have to know the location and the structure and function. Structure most important, means all tissue the diagram. All your in class 9 the diagram based question will come. Most of the question will come diagram based question. Okay, the diagram also have to know. The first we will discuss the epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue, actually this is the covering the external surface and the internal body organ, covering the external surface and internal organ. First, the epithelial tissue, and the location, it is the lining of the body organ, blood vessels and ducts. Lining, obviously all the epithelial tissue actually is the lining of the blood vessel, guards. Okay, this is the lining, and the internal surface of mouth, gut, nose, outermost layer of skin. This is the location, outermost layer of the skin. This outermost layer of the skin. This is the epithelial tissue. And the characteristics of the epithelial tissue, the first character, this is the actually present a closely packed tissue having no intercellular space. Okay, closely, and also the nucleus present in the epithelial tissue, but the absent blood vessel in the epithelial tissue. Blood vessel absent in the epithelial tissue. Most important character, blood vessel absent in the epithelial tissue. The function, first one obviously, because this is the lining of the tissue helps to protection. Okay, first function is the protection. The epithelial tissue protects the underlying tissue from the mechanical injury, entry of germs and the harmful chemicals, to help to protect our the internal tissue. And absorption. Absorption means, you know, the small intestine help to absorption, and the lining of the guts present also this tissue help to absorb the water and nutrients from the digested food. And the formation of gametes, secretion. Different types of secretion and digestive gland also present tissue helps to secretion. And the endocrine glands to secretion, useful secretion. Sensory function. The epithelial, sensory epithelium is the sense organ. In the sense organ, epithelial tissue present in the skin, eye, nose, ear. The sensory helps to sense, or the senses helps to, this is the receive, the helps to receive the sensory stimulus. Okay. And the exchange of material. Epithelial lining of the alveoli lungs helps in the exchange of O2 and the CO2. Also in the lungs of the alveoli, epithelial tissue is present. And you know, in the lungs, the exchange of the O2 and the CO2, the exchange of gases take place in the lungs. This actually tissue helps in the exchange of the gases. This is the main function of epithelial tissue. And now I am going to start the types of epithelium. Today I will only teach the epithelial tissue. All the animal tissue have to learn properly. Okay, first epithelial tissue types. First one is the squamous. Squamous epithelium. Okay, squamous epithelium. Squamous epithelium. And this is one type of epithelial tissue. It is actually, this is formed by the flattened polygonal cells, and it is a surface view. Actually its surface view looks like a mosaics, the floor tiles. Okay, this type of and present, the nucleus also present. This type of present. Okay, this is called the squamous epithelium. And the location is the squamous epithelium lines in the blood vessel, lymph vessel, Bowman's capsule lining the mouth, nasal cavity, alveolar lungs. Okay, this is the squamous. It is structure to properly remember. And the 2 or 3 location to remember. The function, it protects the underlying part from the mechanical injury and the germs. Mechanical injury and the germs, the squamous epithelium. Second one is the cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium. Second one, cuboidal. Cuboidal. Actually, this structure is the cube-like structure. Cube-like structure. More or less, this is the equal height and the width. Okay, cube-like structure like this. And the square shaped. More or less, this is the square shaped structure. Prominent nucleus present, just like cube-like structure, the same height, same weight. Okay, this is called the cuboidal epithelium. Where it is present? It is present in the kidney tubules, sweat gland, salivary gland. It provides the mechanical strain. Okay, it provides the mechanical strain. The cuboidal epithelium, just like cube. And the nucleus present in the center. The prominent nucleus present. Third one is the columnar epithelium. Columnar epithelium. Actually, the columnar epithelium is like a spiral-like. It's a column shaped. Okay, spiral-like shape is called the columnar epithelium. And these cells are the much taller than their width. And their nuclei lie in the basal part. Actually, this type. Long, tall shaped. See, columnar structure. The spiral-like structure. This is the columnar epithelium. And columnar are found in the inner lining of the stomach, intestine, where the absorption and secretion takes place. Inner line of the stomach and intestine. Okay. And here the 2 types of the columnar epithelium, the glandular epitheliums and ciliated epithelium. First one is the one type is the columnar epithelium is the glandular epithelium. The kind of columnar epithelium contain some large size cell which secrete the mucus. When they secrete mucus, it is called the glandular columnar epithelium. The glandular epithelium is one of the type of the columnar epithelium. And the next part, including in the epithelial tissue, this is the ciliated. Ciliated name you can understand the structure with the ciliated. Ciliated means the cilia present. Okay, their upper side the ciliated. Cilia may be the cuboidal or columnar. Okay, it may be the cube-like structure or this is the tall-like structure, but cilia is present. And these cells have the cilia at the free end. The cilia obviously present the free end. The cuboidal ciliated epithelium and the columnar ciliated epithelium. The 2 types of the ciliated epithelium is the cuboidal ciliated epithelium and the columnar. The cube-like structure, but cilia is present in the free end. Also the columnar epithelium, cilia is present on the free surface. This type of, suppose this is the columnar ciliated epithelium, cilia like this, the free surface. Okay, this is the ciliated epithelium. Last one is the stratified epithelium. Stratified, actually it's a layer present. Stratified. stratified. It contains of epithelial cell arranged in several layers. Several layers, one layers, other layers, the several layers present is called the stratified epithelium. Actually, it is found on the skin. Okay, the skin, the stratified epithelium. Stratified epithelium consists of the epithelial cell arranged in several layers. Suppose one layer. One layer, uppermost, this layer, this is called the stratified epithelium. Several layer present. Okay, only up to this epithelial tissue. Next day I will discuss properly the connective tissue, muscular tissue. You have to learn properly at your home. Please watch video and learn at your home. And the syllabus I am telling, the five chapters, including the first terminal, but I don't know what will happen. Whatever I am teaching, just learn at your home. Okay.